Myself Parnitha ji of Maharshi Public School. Today I will show how to make Poori and how it puffs up. Come, let's see. So let's see the ingredients. So first I have taken wheat and some salt. We need some oil and a cup of water. So first I will add some salt to it. Now I will add 1 spoon of oil. Now let's make the dough. Now we have to put little water and start mixing it. Do you know why this is taking the water? As something is very thirsty in this mixture. Gliadin and gluten are the two proteins. These proteins are very tiny. So these are very thirsty. Now we have made the dough. Let's keep this for 10 minutes. Now let's open this. Now let's make small balls. Now I have kept the oil for boiling. After the oil boils, we will fry the poori. Now we have made the balls. Now let's roll it. Do you know why the poori puffs up? The rolling is possible due to the gluten sheet. When we roll the pooris, the gluten sheet is formed. When we fry the poori, due to the heat oil, the steam is very powerful that it takes the gluten sheet up. This is why the poori puffs up. Now the puris are ready. You can enjoy the puri with your favorite gravy. Thank you.